Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this cute little bag using beads. For this, we are using two colors of beads and a nylon thread. This cute bag is done using two colors of beads. First, we will do the base of the bag and then the body part, and then we will add handle to this bag. So now let's see how to do this cute little bag using beads. Take 6 beads. We have taken 6 beads, and in this first bead you are going to insert the other thread and hold these two together, and then you are going to pull them. It looks like this. Next, we are going to place a bead in this center. So we are going to insert the bead in both the thread like this, and you are going to pull. We're going to place it in center like this. So it looks like this. Next, we will insert these two threads between this pearl. So this side you have inserted here. So same way, this one you are going to insert in the opposite direction. It looks like this. So now we have completed the first round. So for the next round, insert this through the next pearl. Take the left hand side thread. You are going to take one gold, one white, one gold, one white, and one gold. So it looks like this. Next, you are going to do the crisscross method, that is by inserting the right hand side thread through this gold bead, and you are going to pull. So it looks like this. This thread is away and this thread is coming along through the work. So this thread will be the picking thread, which is away from the work, and which is along your work will be the working thread. So we will insert this working thread to the next bead. So it looks like this. So next we will be taking the thread which is away from the work. We are going to add, here one gold is there. So we will start with one white, one gold, one white, one gold. Here we are ending it with white. So we are taking only 4. Here 2 beads, so 6. So one white, one gold, one white, one gold. And next you are going to do the crisscross method. That is inserting it in this first gold bead, and you have to pull. So it looks like this. Next you are going to insert, this is the thread away, leave this thread which is through the work. We have to insert this thread through the next bead. So you have to repeat this pattern. So here it is gold. So in this right side you are going to take one white, one gold, one white, one gold, and you are going to do the crisscross method by inserting the other thread through this first bead, and you are going to pull, and then insert this thread which is along your work through the next bead. It looks like this. You have to repeat this till you reach this last bead. So if you see here, we have reached the last bead. So instead of inserting this thread through this bead, we are going to insert it through this golden bead as well. So through this white, also through this golden. So next, to complete this round, I'm going to add one white bead, one gold, and one white, and you're going to do the crisscross method. So after completing this round, it looks like this. For the next round, insert this left hand side thread through the next pearl. Take this right hand side thread. We are going to take one gold, two white, and one gold. Next, you are going to cross them. So next, insert this thread which is along the work through this golden bead. We are going to take one white, one gold. We are going to do this crisscross method by inserting the other thread through this first bead and pull. So next, this working thread, you are going to insert it between these two white beads. It looks like this. So next, insert through two white and one gold, and you are going to do this crisscross method. It looks like this. Next, you are going to insert it inside this gold bead. So for this round, this will be the pattern which you are going to follow. When you insert into the gold bead, you will be picking one pearl and one gold. And when you are inserting inside the two white beads, you will be picking two white bead and one gold bead. So now we have inserted inside this gold bead. So we will be picking one white and one gold. One white and one gold. And next you are going to do this crisscross method. And next, if you see, you're going to insert through these two white bead. So now we have inserted through these two white beads. So we are going to pick two white bead and one gold. Next, you are going to do the crisscross method. So next, you have to repeat them till you reach the last bead. After doing them, it looks like this. Now we are going to finish this round. So for that, we are going to insert it through these two golden beads. And you're going to add one pearl, that is white bead. And you're going to do this crisscross pattern. After completing this round, it looks like this. Now we have done the base of the bag. Next we are going to do the body part. For that, insert it inside this first bead. Next in this left side thread. So you're going to take one gold, two pearl, that is white bead, and one gold. Next you are going to cross this in this gold bead. So this is the body part. Next you are going to insert it in the next two white beads. So it comes like this. So first we have started this layer. First layer, it comes like that. Next you are going to take two pearl, one gold. You are going to cross this in this first gold bead. It looks like this. Next you are going to insert it in the next two white beads. So you are going to follow this by taking two pearl bead and one gold. And you are going to cross this in this gold bead. Next you will insert it in the next two pearl beads. So this is how the layer is formed. You have to follow this pattern by inserting into the two pearl beads, and then we have to take two pearl bead and one gold bead, and you will do a cross method in the first gold bead. You have to follow this till you reach the last bead. So now we are going to finish this round. We are left with three beads. So we are going to insert it through these two pearl beads and one gold bead. You can insert two pearl bead. And you can crisscross in this first bead. So now we have finished this round. After completing the round, it looks like this. So we are going to follow the same pattern till the required height you want. So next insert the thread in this first pearl. Take one gold, two pearl and one gold. Cross it in this gold. So you're starting the second layer. Next insert it in the next two beads. Take two pearl, one gold. Cross it in this gold. So this is the pattern you are going to follow. That is, you are going to insert in this two pearl and take two pearl and one gold. Cross it in this gold. Second layer looks like this. By following the pattern, you do them till the required size you want. After doing the body part of the bag, it looks like this. You can do them till the required height you want. So I have done for 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we'll see how to make the handle for this cute bag. Insert the thread in any of the beads. For this handle, you are going to insert the beads in both the threads together. Till the required length of the strap you want, you are going to insert the beads in both the threads together like this. I have inserted 15 beads. You can see the height, how much you want. So it looks like this. Straight bead, you are going to insert them. You will separate the thread and insert one thread like this. Other thread in the opposite direction. So now we have attached the handle for this bag. The next you can make a knot and you can insert them through these beads. Mini bag using pearl and gold beads look like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.